Top 5 Best Bike Locks for 2022 for protecting your bike or e-bike. Hello guys, welcome back to our channel. Hope you're all doing well. In today's video is going to be about the top 5 of the best bike locks in 2022. So without any further ado, let's get started. At first, we have the Amazon Basics Folding Bike Locks. This Amazon Basics Folding Bike Locks comes made of a hardened steel with ABS cover. By design, it has an all-black design, and in addition to the bike locks, it also includes a mounting case as well. While the keyed lock consists of two key link width of 94 inches and length of 29 by 6 inches. Next is Titanker. This Titanker Bike Lock Cable is made of flexible steel cables that measure a ½ inch in diameter. It is the lightest option at 11.2 ounces, and it can be mounted to your bike with the provided bracket as well. Its 4-foot cable comes covered with PVC coating and recoils back into its original shape when not in use, while the 4-digit combination lock has 10,000 possible passcodes. Its cable design offers flexibility in what you can lock a bike to, and its combination key is convenient as well. Next is SIGTUNA. This SIGTUNA's specialized U-lock can secure your bike with an intelligent locking mechanism without the inconvenience of an entire security system. It comes made of 16mm of fortified ABS steel in a U-lock shackle that resists pulling, jacking, and prying, giving you complete anti-theft protection. And featuring a double bolt locking mechanism, it offers a precision locking cylinder that is picking resistant. Combined with its favored U-lock design and woven steel cable, this bike lock can deliver the highest level of protection as well. And in addition to these, it also houses a rubberized coating on either side of the keyhole and along the base to protect it in all kinds of weather. While its woven steel double loop cable will get you 4 feet of extra bike security to deter thieves. Next is Velo. This Velo U-lock with cable is an adequate lock for low to medium security situations. It comes with a hexagonal PVC cover that resists corrosion from water, dust, and dirt to prolong the life of your lock. And featuring a tough double bolt crossbar locking mechanism, it offers twice the security against prying and jacking. Its flexible 5'10" in woven steel cable with smoke gray transparent PVC coating secures both wheels, accessories, and more. And when it comes to its mounting, its convenient mounting bracket will ensure safe and compact storage when cycling. Lastly, we have the Kryptonite New York Standard. This Kryptonite New York Standard is a heavy-duty bicycle U-lock bike lock. It has a 16mm hardened max performance steel shackle that resists hand tools, bolt cutters, and leverage attacks. And featuring a pass-through crossbar design, it includes enhanced anti-rotation features, providing advanced protection against twist and single cut style attacks. Its new hardened double deadbolts engage both shackles ends, increasing holding power. And in addition to these, it also includes Flex Frame U bracket providing convenient multi-location U-lock transport as well. Thank you for watching. If you like this video and want to hear more from us, please subscribe to our channel and hit the bell icon to get notified of our new videos.